I was at a friend's house and she had some eggshells on her kitchen table. I said, "What are you saving those for?" And she said, "I'm going to grind them up and put them in my garden." "What for?" I asked. And she said, "I want to not have blossom end rot on my tomatoes next season." Hi, I'm Dave, the gastronomic gardener, and today we're going to talk about the truth about eggshells. Eggshells are calcium carbonate, and a lot of gardeners seem to think that if they add them to the soil, it's really going to help add calcium to the soil in the short term. That is simply not true. Calcium in eggshells is really hard and tightly bound and not readily bioavailable for your plants. Even if you crush them up or run them through a Vitamix or a blender or whatever to make a powder, it's still not fine enough. If you want to add calcium to your soil, I suggest a commercial lime product where the calcium carbonate is milled very, very finely, almost like a flour, and then put in a form that dissolves easily and can be readily taken up by the plant. And then there's the question, why are you adding calcium at all? If you really want to check if you need calcium added to your garden soil, take a sample, send it to your university extension. You should be able to look that up, and they'll give you a soil analysis that'll tell you what potential mineral deficiencies your soil has. I'm going to bet calcium's not one of them, but hey. But what about blossom end rot, you ask? Well, that is a calcium deficiency, but is primarily caused by inconsistency in watering. Calcium is taken up by the root tips, and if you have too much water or not enough water, that calcium flow to the plant and eventually to the fruit is interrupted, leading to potential blossom end rot. But no amount of calcium from your eggshells put in the garden this year or even last year is going to prevent that. So, is it okay to add eggshells to your garden? Absolutely. You can grind them up, you can pulverize them, you can put them in your garden. I used to add them to my compost. But you have to think about the addition of that calcium in terms of years or seasons and not an immediate impact. Okay? What I do like about this is that you're taking an organic material out of the normal municipal waste stream, and that's always a good thing. So if you learned something today, please be sure to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.